welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the new Lunar Beauty Greek Goddess collection. So when the collection launched, I bought it. I bought the bundle and I just needed it in my life when I saw this beautiful packaging, and I'm going to be talking all about that in this video, but I just want to say, so stunning. Also, who doesn't want to look like a Greek goddess? So the theme is like on point. I think it's so beautiful. And I also love just the fact that this isn't like your typical holiday collection. It's very unique, very different. And to me, it's one of the most like aesthetically pleasing holiday collections out there right now. I think it's beautiful. And I will be talking all about it in this video. So if you guys want to see that and hear my thoughts on the collection, then just keep on watching. This is the Lunar Beauty Greek Goddess color palette. And if you guys didn't know, I'm actually on the front of this palette. Manny, he put me on the front of his palette and I am right here. I seriously, like, I'm not kidding. When this launched and I went to buy it immediately, obviously, I saw the palette and I saw Medusa on the front and I was like, that looks just like me. I was freaking out because it looks so much like my look. I'm obsessed with Medusa, so I just want to first off say that I love this packaging. Love it so much. And I know that this is probably not me, but I think it looks really cool and I'm obsessed. Also, the way this packaging feels and just the way it looks, the presentation is so beautiful. Like, between Life's a Drag and this palette, I am really loving this packaging with the black and gold. Also, I love the highlighter palette that's white and gold. There's a lot of quality there when it comes to this palette and I feel it. So here's the inside of the palette. You can see all these beautiful shades inside. There are a total of 15 shades inside the palette and I love that there is this beautiful pop of color in here. And this is the blue that's in the palette. It's like a teal blue. It's gorgeous. And you have like a range of mattes and also shimmers in here. And I love that there are actually a lot of shimmers and like colors that you could put on the lid. I think that all of these colors are really wearable. There's like bronzes, golds, neutral colors. There's like a copper in here. I just think it has like everything you need for an everyday look, but it also has that pop, which I like too. And it has a dark brown. It's like a dark brown that you could really smoke out the eye with. So overall, I think the color story is just amazing in this palette. I think it's really pretty. Love the gold inside. Love that there is a mirror inside as well. There's a pretty big mirror in here, so you don't need to like pull one out when you're doing your look. So I'm first going to be priming my eyes and I'm using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot to prime. And this is basically my everyday eyeshadow primer. The first shade I'm going to pick up is this one here called Artemis. And I'm just going to go ahead and place this in the outer corner of my eye and work it into the crease. So now I'm gonna pop on the blue in this palette and it's called Nemesis. I'm just gonna go ahead and place that all over the lid. That color is just so pretty. I am so in love with this blue. So now I'm just gonna take a fluffy blending brush and I'm just gonna blend that into the crease more. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more of it. So I'm next gonna pick up the shade Persephone and I'm gonna be using that in the crease just to blend that blue a little bit up higher. And then for the brow bone, I used Hestia, which is such an amazing brow bone color because it's so matte and it's really bright. It's kind of like a bone color, but it does have almost like this highlighting effect and I love it. It kind of like lifts the eye. And then after that, I did layer in a bit of Harmonia just right over that. It's like this beautiful like mustardy color. And then moving to the lower lash line, I'm gonna be using a black eyeliner on the waterline first. I know that this looks scary AF, but this eyeliner is actually made to like put like right on the waterline and it doesn't like get all in your eyes. So I've been using it and I really like it and I really want to make this look like kind of smoky, so black liner is like a must. So now I'm gonna pick up the shade Nemesis again, the blue, and I'm just gonna go ahead and smoke out the lower lash line with that color. So now I'm gonna grab the shade Hera in the palette and I'm gonna be using this on the inner corner of my eye. This is like a really beautiful bronzy color. I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade Athena. Wow, that shade Athena is so pretty. Oh my god, I'm dead. So now that the eyes are done, I'm gonna pop on some mascara and lashes and I'll be right back. So now I'm gonna be using the Greek Goddess highlighting palette, and this is so beautiful. It has the white packaging instead of the black, and these are the shades inside. There are 6 different highlighters. So I think I wanna use the shade Medusa because it's this one right here. It's kind of like a champagne color. I'm just gonna go ahead and pick that one up. Okay, that is such a beautiful, like, wet looking highlighter. I'm gonna place the shade Muse over the top and a little bit of Sphinx just to make it a little bit more gold. Oh my goodness, that's so beautiful. Okay, my skin literally looks like it is wet. There is no glitters in these highlighters. They're so pretty, like they go on really smooth and they don't enhance like any texture. Honestly, like I have like a really big like cut. I call it a cut, but it's like an eye bag under my eye and it doesn't like enhance it or anything. It looks so good. All right, so now I'm just gonna quickly do my blush and I'm just gonna use like a plum colored shade. So I got all 3 lip products and I'm gonna swatch them for you guys on the back of my hand so you can see the color. So we have the shade Aphrodite and this is the red. And first off, I just wanna say that the packaging of these lipsticks is so breathtakingly beautiful. There's like a diamond on top and it spins as you open it. So beautiful, and I love the ombre packaging. It's really nice. So that is Aphrodite. It's a really pretty red, and honestly, I would pair this red with this eye look because I think it contrasts really nicely. And if I wanted like full-on glam, I would totally pop this on with this blue. So we next have the shade that I am really wanting to wear with this look. This is called Zaya. Oh, this is so cute. This is named after Manny's dog, and that is so like goals. So goals there. And this is Zaya. This is so cute. This is almost like, kind of like looks like her color a little bit, maybe. Like a brown nude. Gosh, that is a really pretty color. There's also a gloss in here, and I love lip gloss so much, so I'm so happy that there is one in this collection. And this one is called Celine. So those are all 3 of the lip products swatched, and they're so beautiful. Dang. Look at that gloss, you guys. You see all the shine? Okay, so I'm gonna apply the shade Zaya to my lips. Alright you guys, this is my final look using the MANNY MUA Lunar Beauty Greek Goddess collection. And I have to say, everything just looked so beautiful, but when I actually got to play with it in this tutorial for the first time, I am just really impressed by everything. First of all, the lipsticks, they feel really soft on the lips. And I know that he said they were more like a velvet, so they feel so amazing, and those are like my favorite kind of lipsticks to wear. I really love all of the colors in this collection. I love the theme. I think it's really beautiful. It's very unique, and I am obsessed that there is so many like bronzes and coppers. I think you can get a lot of wearability out of this collection because there are tons of bronzes and lots of wearable shades in here, but you also can mix it up with the blue like I did and kind of smoke out the eyes with this dark brown. So overall, I do think it's an amazing collection. I'm so glad I got the bundle, and congrats Manny, it's so beautiful. So if you guys love my look, show me some love by liking this video and giving it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and leave me a comment down below of what you are getting from this collection if you are getting anything. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping light.